So peep game, I'll have a work party thing and work tonight at 3, but I missed my little boy L at 2 actually. But I missed my little boy L, so I went to go pick him up from his grandma and I said, come hang out with daddy for a couple hours, right baby? So we're turning on a movie right now and eating some rice and salad and milk and chocolate. I love you. Hey, I love you. What are you doing? You need a haircut, boy. You need a haircut. You need a haircut. Cut your hair tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Eat bye, okay? He's silly. Oh, you want some M&M's?
Yeah.
Okay. Say ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, C, me.
Good job, you're fine. Okay, count to 10.
10.
No, start at 1. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20.
You missed a couple, but it's okay. You smarty. You get a blue one. Yep. Now let me see you get orange one. Yep. Alright guys, so I just got home from work and check it out. I got a bonus and a raise. Everybody else at work did too, but still, I've only been there a couple months and I got a bonus and a raise already. Pow! Look at him. I came home and she was here and he was here and yeah. But
Can I get some help?
why are you so beautiful?
Stop.
Why can't I be as pretty as you?
You're pretty and like guy.
Oh, what does she mean by that? Ellie, say nana yay.
Nana,
No, say it louder. Say nana yay.
Nana,
Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. To yay. Blow a kiss to yay. Over there. Give it to yay. Yo. But this bomb ass food though. We got the pickled cabbage. We got the noodles. We got a fish. We got jiggy. And I got her. Alright, so I was at work today, had a long day, and I needed a drink. And then I was like, fuck it, not only just get a drink, let's drink and kick it in the studio. So, me, Flip, D over here, and check it out, what we drinking though? Bacardi Limon, like some motherfucking high schoolers, boy. Woo! By the time I got home, the liquor store was closed. So, we're home now, and I found this, and we're gonna drink it. Turn up! Anybody wanna ball hard? Alright, so we added to the studio. We got Skip here now. We out here. We're working. You know what I'm saying? What you know? You know what I'm saying? Hey. Work life. But check it out. My girl went to go get my kids from the city, so by the time we get off work, they're gonna be back in town. Turn up. Woo! Just got off work. About to go home. Kick it with my pops. He just came into town. My kids are home right now. You know what I'm saying? And hey, this Nicki album go hard. Turn up. Turn up, car. Nope. Okay. Anybody else? Oh, Cloud's turning up. Yo, what's your Friday night be like? I'll show you what my Friday nights be like. Peep game though. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
Anna, soup? No, I don't. Yuck.
So check it out. Rose's mom bought Elijah a present for his birthday, and she couldn't get it to him until now because, you know, he's been out of town. So unfortunately, she's not here to see him open it, but I'm gonna get it on video. And so this is from Rose's mom. He calls grandma as well. Ready? Open it up.
Whoa!
What is it?
It's a timer.
Isn't that what you asked for?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we gotta call in and say thank you, okay?
Okay.
And my dad's in town. My dad just came from Texas. He's here visiting for a little bit.
There's a whistle.
So they're getting spoiled for my dad being here and stuff.
There's a whistle to say time's up.
Yo, if you haven't, go to mindsetbrand.com, buy you a new beanie, and get a cyber hug from me.
But you hear from them the things that you were telling me, like every single text that you neglected minutes after 3. Faith, shit, that was a biggie. And you lost it with me cause I'm in the city. Hitting all the clubs and sipping another bug. I seen I'm with the green, I was bringing home with me, man, you couldn't find trust in the fella now. Even though I never gave a reason not. Sipping another bug, I seen I'm with the green, I was bringing home with me, man, you couldn't find trust in the fella now. Even though I never gave a
He was
reason not.
rapping. Aww.
Listen, I cruise through in a new coat, no shoes and a new boo-boo. All your friends in your ear like a Bluetooth, asking what did you do, what happened to you too? You tell I wasn't ready, full love and afraid of infidelity. But you hear from them the things that you were telling me, like every single text that you neglected minutes after 3. Faith, shit, that was a biggie. And you lost it with me cause I'm in the city. Hitting all the clubs and sipping another bug. I seen I'm with the green, I was bringing home with me, man, you couldn't find trust in the fella now. Even though I never gave a reason not to. But you let the past come past a hot shot. And in the future we will see it's all come to. Pass a hot shot. And in the future we will see it's all come to.
So I'm at my cousin's house right now, having dinner, family dinner and stuff. But we have in Cambodian we call it bong tia gon. In Filipino they call it balut. And then what do you call it, Gina?
Kailuk.
Okay, kailuk, bong tia gon, balut, or whatever. I don't know if that's how you say it. Basically, it's a bird fetus, right? Something like that. I don't know. But Michaela said she'll try anything once, so she's gonna try it.
You have to eat one with me though.
No,
Yes.
I'll eat anything but the bird. Okay. I don't remember how to do this. I know you do this. Okay. So that's the way. Oh.
I think they call it jello.
This one's like jello.
Yeah, this is really good.
It's soft. You should have taken it apart. The white part is harder and the yellow part is
The
softer.
yellow part is not it. Or the yellow part is like.
You took the yellow part out?
Yeah.
So she's ate just the yellow part?
The white part. I eat the white part.
You don't look at it like that. Just spit it out.
How real men do it.
We're just gonna ignore you guys for a second. He's gonna eat it, you know. Damn, baby, you just.
Oh boy.
Beast.
I'll do it.
What, eat the baby?
Oh boy. You gotta put the whole thing out.
He
at once.
likes it. He chows him down.
This is how a beast does it.
Ew.
He ate the whole thing?
Yeah, even the shell, babe.
I have my teeth. I have my teeth.
Alright, here you go, the whole thing.
See that? Only white part there.
Yeah, stuff it in there.
Don't eat the white part with it. There's the white part.
Yeah, the white part's
Hard.
hard.
You can't chew it. I didn't even put the sauce on. Dang.
Oh, the sauce is over there. I heard a crunch.
You can't chew the white part. White part's too hard.
You're getting you're gagging over this. Good job. Good job.
Check this out. My son can fart on command. Ready? Go.
Do it.
I farted.
Did you?
Umbrella, but I kept you dry from all the storms. But as soon as the storm cleared, we didn't get better, cause this time we got here. Anybody wanna buy? And let me, they clear my throat. Hey, I got money off the boat, and I got money off that quarter. Yeah, I'm making money.
Alright, so we got coerced to come downtown tonight for 30 minutes. But whatever, we're gonna turn up. Turn up!